Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford Fusion door latch updated. Begin by checking whether the issue is mechanical, linkage, or actuator related, and disconnect the battery first. Remove the interior panel using a trim tool, then inspect cables, rods, and the latch assembly. Look for bent rods, disconnected clips, or corrosion. Clean and lubricate moving parts, test the actuator with a 12V source, and decide whether to adjust, repair, or replace parts. Gather the right tools before you start to keep the job smooth and safe. Use screwdrivers, trim tools, pliers, a 12V test lead, and a flashlight for tight spots. Have replacement clips, cables, and a latch assembly available in case parts are bent or broken. Keep penetrating lubricant and white grease to clean and protect moving parts. Working organized saves time and prevents lost small pieces. Start by removing the interior panel and disconnecting all electrical connectors to access the latch. Inspect rods, clips, and the latch for bends, breaks, or rust. Test the actuator with 12V to confirm electrical failure. Replace damaged cables or clips and install a new latch assembly if needed, aligning linkage correctly. Lubricate moving parts, reconnect connectors, and reattach the panel, then test the door from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.